Hi everyone. Well, UBS have created this, which is their view of 10 cheap stocks in a recession. So I thought I'd share some of the names with you. And what they've done is they've analyzed this according to a whole bunch of factors, such as forward price earnings ratios, what the downside is on their profitability, a recession adjusted price earnings ratio, what they'd expect if there is a recession, the price to profitability to be, and that gives them some notion of which ones look cheap even if there's a recession, let alone that if there isn't a recession. So it's a clever little thing that they've done, and I'm sharing the names with you. But more importantly, which one of those are in my approved filtered list? 2 of those are actually in there, which is pretty high ratio given that they've only got about 10 stocks there. 2 of them make my list as well, and I'd focus on the ones which make my list. We've got Bristol Myers Squibb and AutoNation. Now, some weird reason, the auto companies, and I need to look into this more, I'm sure everyone can come up with an explanation, the auto companies tend to do rather well. This happens to be AutoNation, and you can see that, yeah, it's flattening out now, probably likely to rise. It's near highs. I mean, it's up for the year in any event. So all of those things considered, whilst it did, well, broke that upward trend, then moved into that, I certainly wouldn't say that that's the trend now. I mean, you can draw that if you wish, but what I'd say is it's a solid company. It meets my approved filtered list of value, growth, income, and therefore it's a solid company, as is Bristol Myers Squibb, which is more popular and less uncommon than AutoNation. Anyway, have a look at my campaignforamillion.com. You will find lots and lots more information there. Thank you very much.